A large sensor and a powerful autofocus system can really help you deliver high-quality video. Hi, I'm Ryan Snyder from Canon USA. I'm here to introduce the new Canon VIXIA HF G60 camcorder. This enhanced 4K camcorder delivers the exceptional image quality you need for advanced yet affordable video production in a compact size. In this video, I'll share the top 5 things you need to know about the new Canon VIXIA HF G60 camcorder. The Canon VIXIA HF G60 is full of Canon's legendary image quality technology. A 1-inch CMOS sensor allows you to capture eye-catching shots in 4K UHD up to 30p and high-resolution Full HD up to 60p. The big advantages of the 1-inch sensor over the smaller type sensors are its increased ability in low-light scenes, its improved signal-to-noise ratio, and the added ability to control depth of field. Thanks to the Canon Digic DV6 image processor engine, you can transform your HD footage to include 4K image expression with oversampling HD processing. The camcorder reads all the pixels for 4K UHD and converts them to Full HD. This camcorder features Canon's dual pixel CMOS autofocus technology. The 1-inch CMOS sensor gives you fast and continuous autofocus over 80% of the screen, even when you're shooting in darker lighting situations. It also provides highly accurate face detection AF, which helps during single operator shooting. Now with Touch AF included, you can set focus by just tapping the LCD screen. You can stylize your shots with the built-in image control features. With Focus Guide, you can give an out-of-focus touch to the background using a shallow depth of field. The lens in the VIXIA HF G60 has an ultra-wide angle of 25.5 mm and a high magnification 15 times zoom. Add either the optional wide or optional teleconverter attachments to further extend your range. The lens is not only slim and compact, it's filled with technology to ensure amazing image quality. The iris blades have increased from 8 in previous models to 9, giving you more of the beautiful circular bokeh effects we all love. Control bright outdoor scenes with the built-in 3-density ND filter, and turn on the powerful 5-axis image stabilization when shooting on the go to help stabilize those shaky shots. Advanced users will feel comfortable using the VIXIA HF G60 thanks to the many features found on professional camcorders. The tiltable electronic viewfinder can tilt upward 45 degrees while showing you fine details displayed clearly in color. Finding menu items is a breeze. Settings can be easily adjusted and controlled using either the touch panel or the joystick. When using the joystick, users can quickly select most of the settings without having to look away from the viewfinder. This camcorder is specially designed to be lightweight and portable with accessible controls allowing for changes on the fly. You can make quick adjustments with the focus zoom ring, the seesaw-style zoom lever, and the 5 customizable buttons you can assign to features you use the most. Plus, the BP820 battery gives you up to 2 hours of continuous recording. No matter your subject, every scene is unique. That's why this camcorder has so many built-in settings and options to choose from. There are special scene modes to help you dial in the right settings for difficult shooting situations like low-light, sports, and night shooting. You can also control time with both slow and fast motion recording in 4K and Full HD. Need to send out your signal to an external monitor? This camcorder can output HDMI while recording or during playback. It can even send out a 60i signal while still recording in any of the other formats. This camcorder doesn't stop at image quality. There's a USB connection, mic input, and a dedicated headphone jack. A mini advanced shoe allows you to expand with accessories, like the Canon VL5 video light, the DM100 directional stereo microphone, or the EOS GPS receiver GPE2 to record location and time information during shooting. This small, portable, and well-designed 4K video camcorder, with the addition of dual-pixel CMOS AF, makes for a real workhorse of a camcorder. No matter what your video needs, the HF G60 helps you get the shot. For more information, visit the Canon USA website and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For Canon USA, I'm Ryan Snyder. Thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Peter Marr, Senior Specialist for Canon USA, and I'm excited to introduce the newest addition to Canon's award-winning XF series of professional 4K camcorders, the XF605. Smaller and lighter than current XF models, the XF605 is designed to maximize portability while delivering features that make it an ideal fit for electronic news gathering, sports, live production, and more. The XF605 is the smallest in its class for 3-ring camcorders among competitors. It inherits the recording features and direct touch menu interface of the landmark EOS C70 cinema camera and is the first XF series camera to feature IAF as well as the ITR AFX deep learning head tracking algorithm. The XF605 features a 4K L-series 15x optical zoom lens with 3-ring control and optical image stabilization. It can shoot 10-bit 422 4K footage in XFAVC or MP4 formats for easy post-production processing and quick delivery. Dual SD card slots enable relay recording, where you can continuously swap out cards without interrupting the recording. It also incorporates Canon's Digic DV7 image processor, providing the image processing power and speed that enable features such as 4K UHD video acquisition, HDR recording with HLG PQ shooting assist, Canon Log 3, wide DR gamma support, and slow and fast motion recording up to 120 frames per second in HD, all with precise autofocus. The XF605 also features a new accessory chute that will be compatible with a new XLR microphone adapter accessory increasing the total number of XLR inputs to 4. The camera is also the first XF series camera to feature USB video class, allowing use as a webcam without the need for a third-party HDMI to USB adapter. When shooting in the field, you're going to love the new Content Transfer mobile iPhone application, which allows for proxy footage and metadata to be exchanged between the camera and a server through a phone connection in the field. It also allows for metadata to be edited before and after shooting footage. These features and more make the XF605 a powerful new member of the XF series and worthy of a look for your next production. For more information on the XF605 and Canon's family of 4K camcorders, please visit pro.usa.canon.com.